You clicked on this video because you want to find the best hosting for your Minecraft server. After trying out many hostings for years, I still use Dathost for my own servers because it's the best I've found. It doesn't make sense how well it works, and on top of that, it's super cheap. Right now, you can get a server with 16 GB of RAM and unlimited CPU for just €10 a month. By using my link, you'll get a 30% discount for new users. But where it really gets crazy is with the annual plan. Because on top of getting 3 extra months for free, you also get a 54% discount. So guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to buy, set up, and have your server ready in 5 minutes. So, click on the link in the description or the pinned comment and let's get to it. Okay guys, once you click the link, this screen will appear. The first thing you'll see is this box, green, that tells you the discount has already been applied. Here you can choose the duration of your plan, monthly, semi-annual, or annual. I honestly don't understand how this company makes money, to be honest. Once you've decided which plan you want, you're going to click on Start Your Server. In my case, I'm going to do it for a monthly server. We click on Start Your Server and the server location will appear. Now it's time to choose the server location. We have London, Amsterdam, Frankfurt, Helsinki, New York, Miami. They're working on it, okay? For Latin America, they're on it, guys. I've already sent them to work on it. One of the things I like most about Dathost is that it automatically shows you what the ping will be depending on the server you choose. Since I'm Spanish, it'll suggest the London or Amsterdam server, which are similar. Just choose the one with the best latency and click continue. Now guys, we've reached a very important part, the type of server. What kind of server do we want? Well, we have Payperp. Here you can choose mod packs that are already configured. And here we have any type of server. Even Bedrock. I mean guys, they even have Bedrock, okay? I think this is crazy. It lets you choose your own mod pack from CurseForge. You just paste here the link from CurseForge that you want and it installs automatically. In my case, I'm going to select Pay. You click Payperp and choose the version of Minecraft you want. I'll select the latest version, then click Next. Now just log in. I'll use my Google account. And once you're logged in, it reminds you again which plan you want, okay? And it asks how you're going to pay, whether you'll pay with PayPal or with a card. In my case, I have PayPal set up. I think it's the most convenient, but you can pay with a credit or debit card. Once we've selected the payment method, we click continue and start the subscription. When you're done, guys, we'll go back to the servers page where you can see your newly created server. In my case, for example, let's say I created this one. Here's the IP, just left click to copy it automatically, then share it with friends so they can connect to the server. Here you can start the server by clicking the start button. It takes about 30 seconds to open. Actually, it usually takes even less. And if you want to close it, you just click stop. Here you can manage your subscription. Once you click that button, you'll get to your active server and you can cancel it if you only want to buy a month or 6 months or a year, whatever you've purchased. You click cancel, it keeps the server open until the end of the month and then it stops charging you. But here's the most important part, the edit button. This is basically where all the server settings are. You can change its name, set an icon for your server, change the server's IP, upgrade the storage if you need to, have it auto-update to the latest version, which is pretty convenient. You can set a password, hide the online players, but above all, from this page, I recommend the IP option so you can set whatever IP you want. And this here, maximum players, and here you have something very important, the online mode. Right now, Mojang is checking if that account, that name is in their database. If it's premium. If you want to play without premium, you have to disable it. You disable it and click save and restart. And it would be saved and then all players could play the game without premium. Here you can also set the chunks. If you want to play with more chunks, which I highly recommend, then set it to 32 chunks and play as if it were single player. As you can see, the settings are easy to use and intuitive. If you have questions, leave them in the comments, but it's usually not complicated. What happens if you change the time or server? Well, you just go here to mods and server type, and here you can literally upload the plugins or mods you want by dragging them here. Or, in my case, if I want to set up, for example, let's say I want to put Kovelmon on my server, I just have to go to CurseForge, copy a Kovelmon server, we look for Kovelmon, we go into the mod pack I want to play, I click on the 3 dots, copy the mod pack link, and then we take it to Dathost and paste it here. You click install, and in 3 minutes we're done. You have the whole mod pack installed on the server with just one click. If, for example, you want to install mods manually, you go to the file manager, and here in the usual mods folder. If you chose Forge or Fabric, you can just drag the mods in and that's it. You can set up automated commands and everything. You'll need to type OP and your name in the server console to become a server operator, which lets you use creative mode and build freely. And hasn't it happened to you that you've lost your Minecraft world because you were using a free hosting service maybe or whatever? Well, here you can have a daily backup, okay? Of your server, in my case. Since I've only had the server for 4 days, it's only made 4 backups, okay? If I click backup now, it basically takes everything the server has right now and makes a backup of it. Whenever I want to use that backup, I simply click restore to revert everything. In mods and server, you can also do more than just change mods. If you want to change the server itself, you can always do it as long as your subscription is active. And if you don't want to keep playing on the Minecraft server anymore, okay? They have a lot more games. We click here on more and change game. And in swap game, guys, we can set up the server for Ark, for CSGO, for Enshlouder, and many more games that the guys from Dathost will keep adding. And guys, we already have the server up and running. It took us less than 5 minutes to have our server. Since I set the server to allow non-premium accounts, I'm black. Aside from that, as you can see, that's all. Since I'm already OP, I can easily make it daytime. And here's the world. And as you can see, guys, it's loading 32 chunks. Now that it's loading, but as you can see, that's a ton of chunks that I'm sure no other hosting provider can offer you for this price. Also, if you have any issues, their support team is available every day, and they'll respond the same day. If you want to take advantage of the current promotions, guys, you have my link in the description and also in the pinned comment with the 30% discount and everything I've mentioned. Many thanks to Dathost for helping us. Keep supporting this channel and I'll see you in the next video. I'm Black.